Today we perform another experiment of the physics for the BTech classes. The aim of this apparatus is to find out the wavelength of the mercury light with the help of the plane transmission grating. My dear students, now how you will perform this experiment? As I told you, this is your spectrometer, this is your whole spectrometer, this is your grating film, and this is your white light source. This is your white light source, right? So you will put the white light source in front of this spectrometer. This should be the aligned in a one line. In between this, there is a one slot. You put the grating here, right? Now, secondly, you will check the spectrometer should be the balance or not. For this purpose, there is a spirit level, right? Put the spirit level here. The bubble is between them. It means your spectrometer is balanced. Now check the another way. Put this here again, and again the bubble is at the center. It means your spectrometer is your aligned. So the white light is coming the straight here. Once the white light is coming straight here, right? There are the 18,000 or 15,000 lines in this grating film. When the light is coming straight, it means I, angle of incidence, right? I and R will be the 0. When the I and R is 0, the straight you will get the white light at the center. Now you will move this right hand side or left hand side. For right hand side or a left hand side, you will find different colors of your strips. Now there are the two scales. One scale is here and one scale is here. When you are moving this one in the right hand side, you will read this scale. When you are moving towards the left hand side, you will read this scale. In this scale, there are the two scales. One is vernier, right? Then this is your main scale. Vernier scale reading is from 0 to 60 degree, up to 60, and this one is a main scale. Main scale is from 0 to 360, right? So the straight, you will find the reading of this angle. This gives your angle, reading of your angle. So what is the formula of this to find out the wavelength of your any color of your light? A plus B sin theta is equal to n lambda. Lambda is your wavelength, A plus B is your grating element, n is your order of your spectrum. So with the help of this formula, you will find the wavelength of your color of light. So first of all, you will find the color between them. Adjust and focus. Adjust and focus. Now look at here, right? Look at here. Inside it, there is a white light. Inside it, you will see there is a white light. White light. When I move it here, slowly and slowly moving, you will find the color of lights. You will find the different color of light, different colors, right? You will green color. Now it's look like a green color is the green color you will find. Then similarly you will move. Then it's another color, right? Another color you will find. Similarly, when it moves in this direction, when it's moved in this direction, a different color you will find, different color. How you will take the reading? Come to this side, right? If I am moving in this scale, right? So our vernier scale is fixed and a main scale is your moving. Main scale is your moving, right? So best match of line, right? You will give the reading. The formula is your main scale, reading of the main scale plus vernier scale into least count. You will find the least count first. Then the main scale reading is you will get it by matching the lines. The best line will be match. Then the reading is your main, gives a reading if your main scale. Then it's a vernier scale, right? And multiplied by the least count, you will get this side. For the same color, you will get the reading of your this side again for the same color. Suppose you are taking a green color here. So green color is same here. For the green color, again the formula is your same, is your main scale plus vernier scale into least count. Least count is the same. So main scale reading is the best match of the line. Whatever the line it is, the best matching. So it gives the reading of your main scale plus vernier scale multiplied by the आपका reading of this side. This is the main scale, this is the vernier scale, right? Multiplied by the least count. Least count is the same both the sides, right? So it straight gives the reading of your sine theta. Sine theta we will get it here, right? Put all these value in the observation table. Now put all these values in the observation table and you will get the wavelength of the light. Okay, my dear students. So first you have taken all the observation, right? Now you put all the readings in the observation table. So one by one I will explain all the columns. The first is your serial number, right? The order of spectrum. Order of spectrum means there are the 7 colors in a one spectrum, right? At the center there is a white light, right? When you move your eyepiece from right hand side or a left hand side, so in this one there are the 7 colors. Here when you move to the right hand side, then there are the 7 colors. This is the order of spectrum 1 and this is the order of spectrum 1 from the right hand side and your left hand side. So this is the order of your spectrum. The order of spectrum is your 1. Here in this experiment is only 1, because in this spectrum you are seeing your 7 colors, all 7 colors, right? Color of your spectral lines. Suppose you take a first color, that is your violet color, right? So for the violet color, this is your violet color. The band of your violet color you are looking from your eyepiece. This is your eyepiece. There is a cross wire between them, right? So when you look it from the cross wire, this is your violet color, right? So first is your violet color. Then the main, how you take the reading of your main scales, right? And the vernier scales. So this cross wire, you will put this cross wire at the one end of this color of the band. You will put like this at the one end. So it gives the reading of the left hand side of the scales, right? One end of this one, right? Now what is your main scale? Main scale, when you taking the reading in the spectrometer, there are the scales like this. This is your main scale. This is your main scale. And here above this, there is your vernier scale. This is your vernier scale. This is your vernier scale. So main scale moves from 0 to 360 degree. And this vernier scale moves from 0 to 60 degree. Right? So best match of your line. Suppose this is the best match of your line. This one is best match of your line. Right? Best matching. So this gives the reading of your main scale. This one, main scale. Right? This reading, main scale. And this gives you a vernier scale reading. Now find out the least count. Least count of this one. When you get the least count, the formula is your main scale plus vernier scale into least count. This is the formula of your total. This total. This is the formula of your this total, and this total is straight give you in degree. The reading is your degree. So on the left hand side, you get the reading of your violet color. Similarly, you will do on a right hand side. On the right hand side. Same process you will do on a right hand side. Same reading you will get main scale reading from a right hand side for the violet color. Vernier scale reading you will get for the right hand side for the violet color, and same formula, that is your main scale plus vernier scale into the least count. Here is the, I will write it down here, the formula main scale plus vernier scale into least count. This is the main formula, right? I will note it here. Main scale plus vernier scale into least count, right? When you get these two readings, a reading of the A and the B, then the difference between the two of the same one here, yani A minus B, it gives you 2 theta, value of your 2 theta, that is also in a degree, right? So the main formula is your, for the wavelength is lambda is equal to A plus B sin theta upon your n. N is your order of the spectrum. As I already told you, the order of the spectrum is your 1. You put the value of your 1. Sin theta, you getting the value of the theta will be here, theta you will get here. Then you convert into the sin theta, put this value here in the formula. Then what is A plus B? A plus B is your grating element. This is your grating element. Grating element. This grating element means the fringe weight. So the formula of this one is 2.54 divided by the number of your lines. That is in a centimeter, right? So number of your lines on a grating film is your approximate 15,000 or 18,000. Whatever the lines will be given on your grating film, this is your grating film which you have taken for your experiment. So your lines will be written here, 18,000 or 15,000. Whatever the lines have been given, you will put this value here. So you will get the value of your A plus B. When you get the value of your A plus B, put it in this formula. Lambda is equal to A plus B sin theta over n. You will get the final reading of your wavelength of your violet color. Similarly, you will do the experiment, or you take the readings for your green color, put all these values in this formula, and you will get the wavelength of your green color, right? So this is your complete description about your find out the wavelength of your white light, and it is a mercury bulb with the help of your grating. This is the description about how you will calculate the wavelength of your any color, right? Okay.